So hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm not going to showcase any kind of data trends or any kind of data analytics dashboards. Today I would like to introduce with one of the interesting tool named Lovable. Right. Today's world we talk about vibe coding. We talk about creation of website and any kind of tools, and where this kind of tool like Lovable comes into picture and does your job. So you do not require to have a kind of heavy coding background, right? So with a few prompts you can write. So I have created this particular website of mine by using few prompts, right? As you can see that these are the kind of some of the projects that I have done. This is with one of the education consulting house talking about their analytics dashboard. This is a hospital chain again, created a kind of dashboard. So all the kind of projects, if you want like to showcase in your portfolio, so you can do it with the use of this tool called Lovable. Let's see how you can create it, right? So what I've done is I have created a persona, right? So you have to, when you are making a kind of website, you have to create give a prompt to ChatGPT, and you can mention that, hey, I want to create a website on this, and say here I mentioned about Power BI mentorship, showcasing my work, my background. So it has given a persona, step one, step two. It also mentioned the kind of where it should be, where the heading, how it should be, the kind of content it has to be, the kind of charts, the kind of images. If you have, you can put it. Also you can mention your GitHub links, your the other links. So if you are coming from a background of HR, marketing, sales, or even procurement, you can create this kind of website, but only use of a few tools, right? Few prompts, right? So let's see how we can create a kind of new website for you. So this is the prompt, and let me put it in the chat, and then let's see how it can create, right? So I will copy that code and paste it. Let's see. It started spinning. We might have to wait for some time, and then let's see. So as you can see, okay, this is what I've created basically. Yeah, so this can be the page. So I also asked to create, add some of the visually appealing charts like swap lines, colored bubble chart, and decomposition tree, and so on. So as you can see, the background, it has created a visually appealing kind of chart, and it also talking about the mentorship, Power BI mentorship. It also have showcased the analytics, the work basically, how it has benefited 30% better resource utilization than whatsoever. You can use whatever the use cases. Oh wow! So this is the kind of revenue trend analysis it has created. So a spark line basically. Also, it has mentioned about industry performance metrics. Beautiful, isn't it? Now I've just published it, right? Based on this, I have just published it, and once you have published it and then you update it, you can able to see it here. Meanwhile, if you wanted to, yeah, project is updated, right? So if you wanted to do a refresh, and you can able to see your page. It's super easy. And if you would like to know more about Lovable, you can go and check. It is one of the youngest startup, which is valued 1.8 billion, even at just 8 months of its launch, right? And a lot of companies have already started creating websites or any kind of application through Lovable. If you wanted to know what is a backend, it is backend is super database, and the front end is React, Node.js, all the kind of recent tech they have introduced. And with that, you can create a super duper website which you can share to your client, which you can use it for your personal usages and for the interview purposes. So wishing you all the very best. Thank you.